Hi everyone, this is Nannette. I'm not with Jodi because we are social distancing. I do not like it, but it is the way it is, and we all do what we have to do to make sure that everybody is safe and we get through this. We hope you and your family are doing okay, and we are truly concerned about all the stress level that everyone's feeling right now. This is my first video, and I hope that you listen to it to the end because I've tried a bazillion times to make it short. And it's not working. But I'm very concerned about the forbearance issue. You're all hearing about it in the news right now. It is top of mind. It is a way for the government to try to de-stress the level that some people are feeling due to the fact that they've lost their jobs and they're not able to make these house payments during this time. Please understand, this forbearance does not mean forgiveness. Absolutely does not mean forgiveness. You do have to pay back the payments. Maybe consider it as a delayed payment because that's really what it is. It's delayed until a future time. The devil is in the details on this, and this is my concern. This program was announced really to try to calm people's nerves, but it wasn't fully thought out, and how this is going to be implemented by the powers that be ahead of time. So every servicer is taking it upon themselves to come up with a plan on how they're going to roll this out and what kind of expectations they are. And this is the key on how it's going to be repaid. So I'm hearing 3 months with a possibility that you would have to pay it back on the 4th month. Or maybe 6 months and you have to pay it back on the 7th month. I don't think that's going to work because if you have the money, make your payments now. Don't take advantage of this forbearance situation because it puts you in jeopardy, and I'll tell you about that later. The other thing is maybe they're going to take that delayed payment and they're going to spread it out over maybe the next 3 years, and so you pay it back that way. Possible, that might work. Another one is that they'll take the delayed payment, how many ever months you miss, and they put it onto the end of your loan. That makes sense to me. That makes the best sense to me because who cares? 30 years from now or 25 years from now, if you have 6 extra payments, who cares? It just doesn't matter. Today matters, and getting through today and keeping your family safe. But the fourth method is I'm hearing about is modifications. I'm concerned about that because I truly believe that back in the day when the modifications first came out, 2008, 9, 10, 11, people didn't understand it to have the ramifications that it did have. It seriously affected people's credit. And even though they're talking about how this is not going to affect people's credit, I don't think it's been completely thought through to the end in understanding how this is going to be reported. Everything has to be reported to the bureaus, especially for mortgages. So how is this going to be reported and how is it going to be interpreted is even more crucial. So that's my biggest concern. That's where I think there's a possibility of problems. Additionally, getting back to what I said earlier, when you have this forbearance situation in play, the money has to be repaid. That's understood. But if you don't repay the money along the methods that are being given to you, you could stand to put your mortgage in jeopardy of a foreclosure. So I just can't even imagine. We have both Jodi and I have clients that have a lot of equity. The worst thing possible is putting your family and your home and your equity in jeopardy in order to miss a couple of payments. So please do not do this. Don't even consider this unless it's a last resort for you and your family. So that's what I wanted you to know. Please know that we're here for you. Jodi and I are here to try to help. You can run by us what's being offered. We just want to be a resource to you if we can. And if you are considering refinancing, if you think that might help, you resolve some of your situation at home, let us know. We're here to listen. The first thing we want to do is be able to help you. It really is all about you guys and taking care of you the best possible way that we can. So know that we love you. We are concerned. We are grateful for you. We're thankful for your business and your trust. And from our family to yours, please know you're in our prayers and our thoughts right now, and we are going to get through this together. Thanks so much for listening.